Total 70 Surya Namaskar. Can you look at this sweating? Good morning guys, welcome to day 9 and it's 5:30 a.m. and it's still raining outside, so probably we are going to do yoga today as well. Okay guys, so it's obviously raining outside, so I'm going to do yoga, which is Surya Namaskar. So first day we did 50 Surya Namaskar, second day we did 60. Today we should actually go up. So I'm thinking 70. So I was just researching, people do 108 Surya Namaskar a day, which seems to be impossible, but yeah, people are doing that. So one day probably I'll achieve that, but not today. Okay guys, I have completed 25 Surya Namaskar. More to go. Okay guys, I have finished 25 more, so basically 50 Surya Namaskar in 30 minutes. I think 20 more to go. Let's do it. Okay guys, I've completed 20 more, so basically total 70 Surya Namaskar in 41 minutes, and I burned 280 calories. Can you look at this sweating? क्यों हंस रहे हो?
क्योंकि ऑलरेडी तुम पतली हो, और कितनी पतली हो?
करीना कपूर ने वेट लूज किया था 108 सूर्य नमस्कार करके, और मैंने 70 किए हैं आज।
108 करने पड़ेंगे तब ऐसा हो पाएगा।
साल भर में 108 किए थे।
साल भर में नहीं, पर डे 108। साल भर में
कंटिन्यूसली वो 108 करिए या उसने डिवाइड किया दिन भर?
नहीं, कंटिन्यूसली 108, क्योंकि फायदा उसी का मिलता है। अदरवाइज मतलब वैसे भी कर सकते हो डिवाइड करके, कुछ लोग डिवाइड करके भी करते हैं। Hey guys, so it's 8 a.m. and I'm eating breakfast. So I made ragi kanji today with 2 tablespoons of curd and 2 tablespoons of ragi with lots of water, and I gave little tadka to it. And with that I'm going to eat half cup of moong sprouts, which is totally cooked. So this is ragi kanji and this is moong sprouts, which I'll take only half cup. Bon appetit. So it's 11:30 and it's time for the snacks. So I'm eating watermelon. So this is around 1 cup watermelon. So yeah, Arjun has come to visit us. Arjun, idhar aao. Arjun, jaldi आओ. Say hi. Arjun, say hi. Arjun, say hi. Arjun, say hi. Arjun also wants watermelon.
Bila.
बीजा हाँ बीजा। बुआ को खिलाओ, खिला दो।
कितना इंटरेस्टेड है खाने में।
अरे तुम क्या खा रहे हो?
अच्छा पानी वापस।
मुंह बेटा चबा लो।
बढ़िया।
भूखा आया था बेचारा, आप लोग कुछ खिला नहीं रहे हो उसे।
देखो जरा।
शर्ट लेके आए हो आप लोग इसकी? बाय। बेचारे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है कि हुआ क्या। Hey guys, so it's almost 1:30 p.m. and it's lunch time. So we are having भिंडी की सब्जी, like one bowl of भिंडी की सब्जी, one roti, 1 cup dal, and with that salad. So 1 cucumber and 1 carrot. Okay guys, so that's 1 cup dal, and this is 1 full big bowl of bhindi, and with that we have roti. So we added little bit of palak in this, so इसलिए green roti है. And with that we have salad, and that's it. That's Ankur's food. Bon appetit. It's been 1 hour since I had lunch. It's almost 2:30 p.m. and so it's time for the buttermilk. So basically what I'll take is 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of curd with 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and little bit of salt, and I'll blend it. That's the buttermilk. Just finished the vada pav recipe. It was quite quick and looks delicious, and it's also rainy season. 3-4 दिन से बारिश हो रही है, रुक ही नहीं रही है. So it's a perfect recipe for that weather. Although I'm not gonna eat it, I'll only eat half of it, like 2 or 3 bites. That's it. I think that's okay. Craving मिटाने के लिए 3 bite is enough. And let me show you. This is vada and this is pav, and this is garlic chutney to go with it, and this is the fried chili, which looks perfect as well as tastes perfect with this. And look at this. Can't wait to eat it. The video will be uploaded very soon on Yum Curry, so please go ahead and check that out when it's done. I'll link it in the bio, and I'll link it in the description, and yeah, that's it.
It's 9 in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole.
Hey guys, I'm all ready and it's time for tasting the vada pav. So I'm wearing this. This is like a jumpsuit and it feels like, you know, jeans, but it's not. It's cotton, I guess. And yep, super comfy. Hey guys, I've changed the clothes and removed the makeup, and because shirt white पहन के shooting करना is not a great idea. सारे में छोटे छोटे येलो कलर के छींटे आ चुके हैं. Anyways, so बहुत टाइम से फेस पे कुछ क्लीन अप नहीं किया है, so I was thinking of applying the face mask. Make sure you wash your face first before applying any mask, क्योंकि फिर सारी डर्ट जो है वो अंदर चिपक जाती है. सो ऑलवेज यूज अ फेस वॉश और जस्ट क्लीन इट लाइक दैट, सो दैट इज फाइन एज वेल. So I have 2 masks right now. One is like whitening, depigmentation and tan removal, and the second one is with charcoal and coffee for the glowing and healthy skin. I'm going to go with the whitening and tan removal because बहुत टाइम से धूप और वो सब हुई है बट टैनिंग रिमूव नहीं हुई है. So I'll go with the pink one. I've already emptied the bottle. So I usually apply the face mask once, actually I can't say once a week क्योंकि I'm very lazy. So it should be once a week, but once in 2 weeks हो जाता है, कभी कभी once in a month हो जाता है. So you know, that's the thing. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन कितना आप अपने आप के लिए टाइम निकाल पा रहे हो. You should actually take out time for yourself, for your skin, for your hair. Even hair mask लगाए बहुत टाइम हो गया है. So I'm gonna do that on the weekend. ये वाला फेस मास्क बहुत जलता है स्टार्टिंग में. I think that's okay. कुछ रैशेस वगैरह नहीं आते हैं, बट या I would suggest आप अपने स्किन पे ना थोड़ा सा ट्राई करके देखो. अगर ये जलता है और बहुत ज़्यादा इतना ही इरिटेटिंग होता है तो फिर उसको हटा दो. थोड़ा बहुत जलन इज़ फाइन. आई ऑल्सो प्रेफर घर का बना हुआ विच इज़ मच बेटर. उसमें कोई जलन नहीं होती, कुछ केमिकल वगैरह नहीं होता है. सो आई टेक हल्दी और थोड़े बहुत चीज़ें. आई मेक वन वीडियो अबाउट दैट. इट्स क्वाइट नाइस एंड इट रिमूव्स टैनिंग एज वेल. बस क्योंकि टाइम नहीं होता, उसमें नहीं होता, वी यूज़ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. अदरवाइज वी शुड ऑलवेज प्रेफर होममेड थिंग. थोड़ा सा नेक पे भी. So whenever you do makeup as well ना, तो neck cover करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Because this neck is like part of your face. So even moisturizer, whatever you apply on your face, you should apply on the neck as well. That's it. Okay, so I have to wait for it to set and dry. After that, I'll wash my face just with the plain water. Okay guys, so it's all dried up and it's time to wash. It's all cleaned up and looks good. Face actually looks cleaner. I don't know if you can see the difference. So I'll apply a little bit of moisturizer and lip balm. That's it. It's 5:30 p.m. and it's snacks time. So I'm eating 5 jamun with 1 cup of makhana, which is roasted in little bit of ghee. Hey guys, so it's 8 p.m. and almost dinner time. So we ordered some food from outside because we wanted to, you know, and we have ordered Asian food. So this is Japanese dim sum and this is sticky rice with Thai green chicken curry and this is black pepper stir fried chicken. Looks delicious and can't wait to try it. But obviously I'll do the portion control. I'll not eat a lot. I'll eat little bit. Okay guys, so this is my plate and this is Thai chicken green curry and this is sticky rice with Szechuan dumpling, which is a Japanese dish, and this is black pepper stir fried chicken with veggies. So I'm going to eat it. So uncle, what do we say? Bon appetit. Hey guys, that's it for now and I burnt around 650 calories for this day and 7,500 steps total. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment on it and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
अगर तुम कैलोरी रिकॉर्ड कर रही हो कि मुझे बोल देगी मैं एक्चुअली कैलोरी खाई कितनी है, तो जैसे बिकॉज तुम्हारी चीज़ें करनी है.
अंकल तुमको कैसा लगा मैंने इतनी सारी कैलोरीज बर्न की हैं?
बहुत जबरदस्त.